sometimes I'm working with pouring art, liquid acrylic, and I try to make some pendants or earrings, add some design, but I'm not happy with the result. Something is missing. I never threw it away. I usually keep it, like for example this one. It just like, doesn't look nice. But I keep it because when the time comes, then I work a little bit longer and then I'll get this result. This pair of earrings is probably the most easy technique to create such a beauty. So what you do, you just color two sides in any color you like you make the background, and then you add some sparkles, and you can add some chameleon paint that change the colors, and then you add some drops, artificial drops, and makes like 3D texture, and then you cover with varnish or epoxy, actually covered with epoxy, and look, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the beauty of these earrings. They're absolutely gorgeous. Even in the back they're gorgeous. I added some chameleon powder, like this is like little sparkles like blue and a little bit of pink, purple. They change in the color depending on the light, and also I sparkle with some watercolors, sparkling metallic paint, and then I covered, and I add some drops, artificial drops, and I covered with epoxy, and on the back I add this beautiful sparkling Mod Podge. And I can tell you, I love them. Like, they are so alive. They're so beautiful. And it doesn't require a lot of time to improve them. So the comparing to this, these are look gorgeous. Now another pair, it was like that. So this pair was like that. So what I done, again, I use chameleon powder. I use artificial drops and epoxy, and look how it looks. One, and where's another one? Here. Oops. And also on the back I add this sparkling Mod Podge, and it's completely changed the look of these beautiful, gorgeous earrings. Then I had a very kind of boring pendant. Again, I decided to change it, and look at this one. You see the colors? It's beautiful. On the back, again, I add some sparkles. So now it's a really beautiful pendant. When we're talking about this type, I want to show you what I did. I added some sparkles, and you see, absolutely different color. And this one I just add some chameleon powder that it changed the color, and covered with epoxy. So comparing to this one actually looks much better. So I'm gonna work with the rest of leftovers, let's say this way, or maybe some items that I'm disappointed in, but I want to get this effect, a beautiful, shiny, alive, because looks like the water drop on them, and we have absolutely different type of jewelry.